Hey, it's your girl, your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn, and this is Legal Doc Talk 24/7. Hope you guys are having an amazing and productive day. Hey, so I haven't done an update in a while on Megan Thee Stallion versus Milagro Graham's case. If you are unaware, the judge actually granted the deposition of Torey Lanez. Let's hop right on into that right quick. So this was the unimposed motion for leave to take oral deposition of Daystar Peterson. Now, I want y'all to pay attention to the unopposed, meaning that both the defendant and the plaintiff, they agreed to take the deposition of Tory Lanez. All right. So Milagro did and Megan Thee Stallion did. That should speak volumes right there. But this unopposed motion reads Megan P., buying through her undersigned counsel, requests leave of the court for Mr. Peterson to be deposed while incarcerated pursuant to the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure 30A2B. Counsel for Ms. Cooper and Mr. Peterson do not oppose this request. In support thereof, the parties request the court to enter the proposed order attached hereto as Exhibit A so that the parties may proceed with Mr. Peterson's deposition. Mr. Peterson's deposition is necessary for Ms. P to fully investigate the extent and basis of defendant's conduct and defendant's relationship with Mr. Peterson in support of her claims. And then it just says, and they just cited I should read that. They cited Aviation Concepts Inc. versus Star, where it says permitting defendant to take video deposition of incarcerated witness who owned 50% of a plaintiff corporation and possessed key evidence. So Daystar is the only person that can really speak on his relationship with Milagro Graham's, what role he played in, so on and so forth. They also cited Shepard versus Alvarez, and in that case, it says granting defendants leave to depose and serve documents requests on incarcerated plaintiff, in addition to extending discovery deadlines. And then they also cited commodity future trading. I'm not sure what that is, versus Valco, where it says granting parties leave to take depositions or of defendants in prison. So they just pretty much cited these particular cases, just letting them know that, there have been people who have been incarcerated who can be deposed to help the case along. And that's all it is. It says, wherefore the parties jointly request entry of the proposed order attached here to as Exhibit A. And going back, the judge, let me see, the order was granted on the 24th. It says the cause came before the court upon plaintiff's unopposed motion for leave to take the oral deposition of Daystar Peterson. Being fully advised, it is ordered in a judge that the motion is granted. Plaintiff may take the oral deposition of Daystar Peterson either remotely via video conference technology or as otherwise arranged upon agreement with the California Correctional Institution. And that was done on February 24th, 2025. So it's very interesting what this deposition is going to be about. If you are unaware of what a deposition is, it's just so what will happen is Megan's attorneys will ask a series of questions to Daystar Peterson, aka Tory Lanez. Once the deposition is over, the court reporter who was in attendance will transcribe the whole conversation, file the certification with the court, And then a copy will be given to Megan's attorney, and then they'll go over line by line. One thing I hate doing is reading deposition transcripts, especially if they're over a lot of pages. Because depositions could be anywhere from an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. It just all depends. But once they get that depo transcript, and then they, review it, they may have more questions, they may request more information or more documents. We just don't know. Now, unfortunately, the deposition transcripts are not available or viewable by the public. That's only something that is between the counsel and the parties. That's it, that's all. But the information that they might request in additional documents, they might file a motion and say, hey, here's a second set of, interrogatories that we want you to answer, or here's a second set of requests for production that we need you to, provide us with. We never know. So we will never know as far as what the contents of the deposition would be unless they start filing additional pleadings requesting more information based off of the deposition transcript. So, hope that makes sense. Let me know what y'all think about this. Do y'all think his deposition is going to be in favor of, Megan? Do you think he's going to come out and tell us something that we don't know? Do you think that, he's going to throw Milagro under the bus? What are your thoughts? Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, you all be blessed and I'm out. Bye.